Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use the Canva photo editor to enhance your images fast, even if you're not a designer. We'll walk through the basic tools, the editing panel, and the new AI features so you can clean up your photos and make them stand out. Okay, so once you're inside Canva, in the left side panel, click the Create a New Design. Choose the Upload feature so you can upload the file or image. Once you have uploaded the image that you want to edit, it will now ask you if you want to use it in a new design or edit image. Choose the edit image so it will now take you straight to the photo editor without the extra canvas elements. So this is perfect if you only want to adjust the picture itself. No text, no graphics, no layout. Okay, the basic photo editing tools. Once your image loads like this, you'll see the editing panel on the left. Let's break down the main tools. Filters. Filter will instantly change the mood of your photo. Click on See All, click on End Filter. And also you can use the intensity slider to control how strong the filter appears. This is the fastest way to give your image a new vibe. Adjust. If you want more controls than the filter, click this. Here you can tweak the brightness, contrast, temperature, tint, highlights, shadows, and many more. This is where you can fine-tune the entire mood of your photo manually. We also have a crop feature. You can reframe your subject, focus on a specific area, change the aspect ratio, and once you're done, you can just click the Done. We also have AI tools inside the Canva photo editor, which is the Magic Studio. This makes editing super easy if you don't know Photoshop level techniques. For example, this background remover will remove the background in a few seconds. If it misses a spot, you can use the Erase or Restore brush to clean things up manually. The Magic Eraser. Magic Eraser removes unwanted objects, so if you click the Magic Eraser, you can paint over anything you want to remove. Magic Edit. This one will let you replace an object with an AI. So basically, you're just going to type what you want to appear, and then Canva will generate a few variations and you can pick the one that you want to use, and that's it. Sometimes it looks perfect, sometimes it's not. It depends on the photo, but it's a super helpful tool to try. And for some final touches, you can go back to the Adjust tab. If you want to do some small tweaks to polish the image, you can increase the sharpness. You can also boost the vibrance, lift shadows, and lower highlights. After that, use Compare to check the before and after. This one. This is great for seeing how much your photo has improved. And finally, saving and downloading your final photo. Once you're happy with the edit, click the Download button. Click the Download button. As you can see here, it has downloaded our photo in JPG format. Your edited photo will save to your computer and will also stay in your Canva file. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.